Registering for Social Security System online in the Philippines allows you to access various benefits and services conveniently. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to register for SSS Online. Prepare your documents. Before starting the registration process, ensure you have your SSS number, a valid email address, and your personal information such as your full name, birth date, and contact details. Visit the SSS website. Go to the official SSS website using a web browser. Click on Online Registration. Look for the Online Registration tab on the SSS website's homepage and click on it. Select Registration Type. Choose the type of registration that applies to you. If you're an employee, select Member. If you're an employer or self-employed, select the appropriate category. Fill out the online form. Fill out the online registration form with accurate personal information. Provide your SSS number and other required details. Create an account. Create a username and password for your SSS Online account. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. Verify your email. SSS will send a verification link to the email address you provided. Click on this link to confirm your email. Complete the registration. Log into your SSS Online account using the username and password you created. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your registration. Check for confirmation. After successful registration, you will receive a confirmation message, usually via email. This confirms that you've successfully registered for an SSS Online account. Log in. Return to the SSS website and log in using your newly created username and password to access your account.